Hi guys, what's up and welcome back. If you're new right here, hi, my name is Sonal Yadav and I post beauty related content every single week on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing how to do this basic eye makeup look. If you are a beginner trying your hands newly on eye makeup looks, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. This eye makeup look is something which will suit both Indian and Western makeup look. Also, you can just follow the techniques and maybe just change the color according to your liking as well. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. To start off, I have already done my base makeup and now I have also applied a little bit of loose powder underneath my eyes so that we don't have any bad fallouts. To start off with my eye makeup look, I am using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer as my eye base, applying it all over my eyes. Applying a concealer or eye base will definitely make your eyeshadow pop out even more and show out even in a better way. So always have a concealer or eye base underneath. Also, I like to carve out my brows a little bit. I think it just makes my brows look more precise and more neat, so I always like to do that as well. Always make sure that you apply the concealer very evenly all over the eyes. So initially I like to apply my concealer with the help of this sort of flat brush, but later on I like to blend it with a beauty blender, and I think that way it just looks more evened out and more blended. Now I'm also carving out the other side of my brows. This step is actually optional. It's totally up to you if you want to do it or not. I personally like to do it and I will just blend that with a beauty blender. For my eyeshadow look today, I'll be using the MAC Art Library palette. I really love the packaging of this product and it also has quite a lot of warm toned shades. This palette has all those light to dark colors which you would require to complete a whole eye makeup look, which is very nice about this palette. So the brush that I'm using is also from MAC Cosmetics. This is the 217S blending brush and this is a perfect brush for blending. A nice gradient, light to dark, beautiful blend. I am first gonna apply a transition shade. Before that, let me explain you what exactly is a transition shade. So basically, transition shade is a shade which would actually help your main eyeshadow shade to blend in together. For example, if I'm doing a black smoky eyes, I will use brown or orange color as my transition shade because that is how black will get a gradient blend. Just another example is that if I'm doing a main color as my purple eyeshadow shade, then I might use a pink as transition shade because purple and pink will get blended beautifully together. So here I'm using a orange sort of warm toned eyeshadow shade as my transition shade. Your transition shade is something which you are supposed to apply in a very blended manner. बहुत ही light amount of product लेना है and आपको उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से blend करना है. The more that you blend your transition shade, the better it will look. So here I'm just creating a nice orangish sort of transition shade, as you can see, and slowly you will see I'll blend it and add darker shade. Another thing that makes a lot of difference is where actually you hold your brush. If you're holding your brush very close to the bristles, you will end up having a lot more pressure on the brush. So if you want to pack the color, that is actually when you will hold the brush very close to the bristles and it will give you an intense color because you have maximum control. And you will get a really nice color payoff. But when you're holding the brush away from the bristles, that is when you will help the brush to actually blend in the product because you have lesser pressure on the brush. So here to apply the transition color, you will hold the brush very far away from the bristles so that the color is nicely dispersed and blended. To add some more depth into the eyes, we'll be adding some brown shade right here. Always make sure that your transition shade is right here and you have to leave a little bit of gap between your brows and your transition shade. Transition shade should be very well blended on the ends of the eyeshadow shade, so always make sure you blend it very nicely. This is actually something additional, not everyone needs to do it, but अगर आपका eyeshadow अच्छे तरीके से blend नहीं हो रहा है तो आप एक बड़ा brush ले सकते हैं, उसमें कोई भी color को ना ले and just try to blend it and the transition shade will look a lot more blended then. I personally think कि जब भी मेरा transition shade अच्छे तरीके से apply होता है तो मेरा पूरा eye makeup it looks very nice. So here I'm using the MAC 239S brush to pack a darker brown shade into my eyelids and this will create a nice depth into a eyeshadow look. So मैं पहले इसको एकदम side में apply करूँगी end में and then slowly I'll bring the halfway. Again, for blending, we'll hold the brush further away from the bristles and then we'll just slowly have circular motions, and ऐसा करने से आपका आई शेडो blend हो जाएगा. If you notice, you will see we are slowly getting that gradient. So यहाँ पर हमारा थोड़ा सा skin दिख रहा है, then we have the transition shade and then we have the darker brown shade at the end. It might take those extra 5 minutes to blend your eyeshadow shade nicely, but do it because it's completely worth it. Now I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Amber Lights. This is a shimmery eyeshadow shade, golden eyeshadow shade, and it looks very beautiful. इसको मैं अपने हाथ से ही अप्लाई करना पसंद करती हूँ. Whenever you're using a shimmery product, always try to apply it with your fingers itself because the warmth of your fingers actually helps the eyeshadow to look more intense. Now I'm just applying the darker brown shade and उसको मैं blend कर रही हूँ अपने metallic shade के साथ ताकि सब कुछ again blended दिखे and you know shimmer का जो lines आ गया था हमारी उंगली के वजह से वो अच्छी तरीके से ब्लेंड हो जाए. Now I'll just do my basic winged eyeliner look which I always do. I'm going to use my Lakme Absolute eyeliner for it. I love this eyeliner for my winged eyeliner look, and yeah, I'm just gonna create a nice inner corner as well with the eyeliner and just do my wing how I usually do it. So first I'm just creating a basic line following with my natural eye shape, and then I'll just create a wing first, like a wing tail first, and then I'll just connect it back to the basic eyeliner which we did already. Winged eyeliner is something which you will learn with practice, तो आप इसको practice करिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा and you will be good at it. So now I'm just filling in the eyeliner as you can see, and उसको मैं अच्छी तरीके से और ज़्यादा sharp and और ज़्यादा better दिखाने के लिए उसको वापस से connect कर रही हूँ ताकि हमारा wing बहुत अच्छे तरीके से sharp दिखे and even दिखे and छोटा wing ना लगे. And I like to do a bold winged eyeliner look, so I'm doing that right now. For my mascara, I'm using the MAC 3D Black Lash Mascara. This is such a great mascara, guys. I have a very bold winged eyeliner right now, so that is the reason why my lashes are not really showing up that much. Varna naturally it just shows up really nicely, and I love this mascara so much. So always make sure to coat your lower lash line as well with mascara. So अभी आपको दिख रहा होगा कि थोड़ा सा gap दिखाई दे रहा है between my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna fill that in using the MAC Technicolor eyeliner, and this is really great product. Now I'm gonna use a lighter shade of eyeshadow. This will actually help me to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone area. So I would definitely suggest you guys to not to miss this part because it really adds the finishing touch to the eye makeup, because आपका जो brow bone पर जब भी light fall होगी it will give that shine, and when you apply a shimmery shade in your inner corner it will actually help your eyes to look more bright and more opened up, I'll say, and it makes your eyes look more bigger. So do not skip this step. Another thing is never actually leave your lower lash line with no colors. मैंने ऐसा बहुत लोगों को करते हुए देखा है कि they do really nice eye makeup but they leave their lower lash line just like that with no color. It just makes your eye look a little incomplete, so add something to your lower lash line as well. Here I've just used the kajal and then I've just smudged it out using the transition shade, and I love it. And yeah guys, this is basically how you can achieve this very simple brown eye makeup look. I would definitely suggest to go ahead, watch this video once again, follow each step and do your makeup along with me, and then you'll definitely learn a lot of things. For any doubts and queries, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram or comment down below. I hope you all find this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video as much as you can, and I'll be back with more such videos. Until then, please take care. Bye.